So today we will see about React events. Okay, so in normal HTML and JavaScript, we will be having events in HTML and JavaScript. We have events a very simpler way, like you will take a button, for example. Let me take a button. For this button, the title is something like a click me. And here you can write a script like this. Okay, so there are two processes in JavaScript. Let me explain the two processes also. Document dot get elements by tag name. Name of the tag is a button. For example, this is HTML and JavaScript I'm trying to telling about. Add event listener. Add event listener. Listener name is something like click, and you can write a function and you can implement the function below. Function fun, and here I'll be having some function block or function block code. So this is the one way. And another way we will be having in JavaScript. So you can go like on click. On click is equal to, you can call the function. Whatever the function you written, that function you can call like this. Okay. So, but this is in JavaScript with HTML, how events are going to be working. But in React, not like that. In React, not like that. In React, how to work with the function, I will do. How to work with the events, I will do. Okay. So let me open the project. I'm opening the Visual Studio Code again. So in last class, we created a folder. Let me try to open the folder. I think that was a demo app. I think so. Let me open the folder, whatever the folder we created. Okay, open a folder. So on top of the desktop, we will be having the folder. I think it will be a demo app. Yes, I'm trying to opening that. Now let me go and create a new file. Let me go and create a new file inside the SRC, something like event or click event. Let me go like click event, CLICK, click event dot JS. Okay, so this is a functional component. Let click event is equal to something like arrow function, and here this will be written something like a button. Let me take a button. Let me return a button. So here this will be something like click me. Finally, export this one. Export default click event. Right. Now what my requirement is, I want to execute event for this button. So for this button, there is a method called on click. So this time it is something like a camel case. This is something like a camel case. Now let me go and this one so click event. This is something like a click event. And this is also an arrow function. What I want to do for this arrow function is something like a console.log. Let me go with the console.log. What my requirement is button clicked. Button clicked. So whatever the event name you have, that I need to take into the on click. On click is the handler for the button now. It's an attribute. And this click event is a JavaScript now. This click event is a JavaScript. That event already I defined. So this is something like a custom event handler. Custom event handler, whatever the event handler we have. Okay, so let me save this and go to the app.js and then try to import the click event now. Import click event from click event. Okay, let me access it. Click event, I want to access it. Okay, how to access it? It is accessing like a click event, something like this. Okay, now I want to see a button. Okay, what is the title of the button? Can you see what is the title of the button? Title of the button is click me, but when you when you click on the button, I want to show the console method, a console function, console.log. Now open the terminal, new terminal. It's very simple, straightforward. Now npm start. npm start. Let me go with the npm start. When I go with npm start, my node server is going to be getting start. And when we click on the button, some event is going to be fired. This is a React event. This is not normal HTML and JavaScript event. This is something like a React event. Okay. Now let me show the output. Now the browser, which is going to be running with a server, node server. And when I click me, go to the inspector, go to the console, and go to the console. You can see button clicked. You can see some message in the console window. That is something like a button click. In the next level, what we want to do is when I click on the button, I want to change the title as button clicked, or you clicked on button. I want to see the template value change, template state change. So, but whenever you want to change the template state, we will be using a concept called hooks. We will be using a concept called hooks. So that hooks concept we will discuss in the coming class. What that particular concept is, when I click on the button, now event is firing, and console output is showing. Console output is showing. But my requirement is in the coming video, in the coming class, what we are going to be discussing is my requirement is very simple. When I click on the button, I want to change. Title of the button, and BG color of the button. So both I want to do. This is one simple concept we have to do. And one more concept we will do in the coming class. When we hover on the image, when we do mouse over, on image, I want to replace src value for img tag. So this is the one more simple assignment we will do based on the events in the next class. Thank you, and please like, share, subscribe my channel for more and more videos. Follow that.